Welcome to Njenje Media Channel. This is a channel where we explore the truth behind the headlines. This is a breaking news. Court gives DSS 24 hours to release Omoyele Sowore. The same court fines DSS 100,000 naira. Once more, this is Njenje Media Channel. The Federal High Court in Abuja today, this morning, about 30 minutes ago, Thursday, the 5th of December 2019, ordered the Department of State Security Services (DSS) to release Omoyele Sowore, the convener of Revolution Now protest, within the next 24 hours. Justice Ijeoma Ojukwu, who gave the order, also awarded a 100,000 fine against the DSS over its delay to serve the Defense Counsel the additional proof of evidence in the ongoing trial of Sowore and Olawale Bakare. People, what is happening here is DSS has no more evidence. What were the evidence against Sowore? Cyber stalking, that he was stalking Buhari on the internet, that he was calling people who were hungry, people who the APC government have disenfranchised, people who the APC government have lied to. He called them out to come out in protest to register their anger. As we speak, Hong Kong has been protesting because of what in Nigeria, if that something the same reason why Hong Kong people are protesting, if that happened in Nigeria, not a single soul will be on the street. Sometimes we at Njenje Media will wonder, why are we like this in Nigeria? Who has bewitched us so much that there is no longer unity of purpose? You protest, it's either they tell you you are Igbo or you are Yoruba. The North never protest in any way, shape or form, and that is the reason why the misgovernance continue. The judge, who was visibly angry, yes, we know Ijeoma Ojukwu, and she was so angry over the development which has caused the court to adjourn the trial of instance of the DSS, said the fine must be paid to the defendant before the next adjourned date. Ojukwu therefore adjourned the court until December 6th for trial to continue, which means tomorrow. This is very interesting. Do you know the interesting part of it is because it's tomorrow? Let us see if Sowore will be free and be free to come to court, because the case has been adjourned to tomorrow, and let us see tomorrow being the 6th and being Friday, if they must have paid that same fine. If they would now release Sowore, this is one. When we say Nigeria is a banana republic, some of you get angry, but that is it. This, what is happening in Nigeria today, is a clear definition of a banana republic, a country where no one obeys the law. DSS, if you don't know, it's under the armpit of the executives. Basically, DSS is Buhari and Buhari is DSS. That's why we call them Daura Secret Service, DSS. Its only thing they do is when the man from Daura with gap teeth, only thing they do is when Buhari tells them to do that. What it means is that Buhari has not told them to release Sowore. What sort of madness and insensitivity is that? Remember, we still have Al-Zazaki in prison. We still have Dasuki in prison. 5 years on, Dasuki cannot come to the court. That is the same madness they did with Nnamdi Kanu. How can these people be so insensitive? How can they be so afraid? Because they are some people, when you question this government, you are tagged enemy of the government. This is unbelievable happening in Nigeria. However, the good news is that some judges are beginning to wake up. Don't be surprised. Next week, you hear that Justice Ojukwu has been found to have $50,000 in her account. And before they even investigate how she gets the money, they would, first of all, invade her house, either, at the middle of the night, as they've been doing, it's not the first time, or they will charge her with frivolous allegations. Now, Mrs. Ojukwu is a marked woman, because for daring to impose a fine and for daring to tell DSS in their faces that what they are doing is wrong, DSS equals Buhari, Buhari equals DSS. It is indeed a banana republic, and it is indeed a mad thing happening in Nigeria. Now, this is a developing story. Stay tuned. Subscribe to Njenje Media TV. We will be bringing you the update tomorrow as they happen. Once more, this is Njenje Media TV.